To fix Cash App Bank declined payments, it is essential to understand the possible reasons behind the issue. The most common reasons include insufficient funds, incorrect routing or account numbers, and bank server errors. First, ensure that your account has sufficient funds to cover the transaction. If the funds are available, verify that the routing and account numbers are correct. A single-digit error can cause the transaction to be declined. Next, check the Cash App status page to see if there are any server issues. If the issue is with Cash App, wait for some time and try the transaction again. If the issue persists, contact your bank to check if they are blocking the transaction. Some banks may have additional security measures in place that can cause transactions to be declined. To prevent future declined payments, make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. It is also a good idea to set up notifications for low balance and large transactions. Additionally, consider setting up a Cash App card to avoid bank transfer issues altogether. The Cash App card allows you to make transactions directly from your Cash App balance, eliminating the need for bank transfers. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can fix Cash App Bank declined payments and ensure a smooth transaction experience. It is also recommended to contact Cash App support if you are unable to resolve the issue on your own. They can provide more personalized assistance and help you get back to using the app. Overall, fixing Cash App Bank declined payments requires patience, attention to detail, and a basic understanding of the possible causes of the issue. By being proactive and taking the necessary steps, you can resolve the issue quickly and get back to using Cash App without any hassle.